from BSc final year chemistry business. Now I am doing practical of physical chemistry. Practical's name is to determine the cell content by using conductivity cell.
Requirement 0.75 gram KCl, 0.15 gram KCl, 0.07 gram KCl. Beaker, conical flask, rod, conductometer. Firstly, we will prepare solution. Then take 0.75 gram salt in conical flask and then add 100 ml of water to form 0.1 normal solution with mix well. Now we will take 0.15 gram KCl in conical flask and add 100 ml of water to form 0.01 normal solution. At last, third solution, take 0.07 gram KCl and add 100 ml of water to form 0.02 normal solution. Finally, three solutions prepared: 0.1 normal KCl, 0.01 normal KCl and last 0.02 KCl. Now we will standardize the conductometer with water. After, we will dip rod in 0.1 normal KCl solution and note down the reading conductivity value. Firstly, we will dip waters and after dip in 0.01 normal KCl solution and same note down the conductivity value. Again dip in water. After that we will dip in 3.02 normal KCl solution and note down the conductivity value. Calculation. Solution. Observe conductivity, specific conductivity. First, 0.1 normal solution have 14.16 into 10 to the power minus 3 value of observed conductivity and have specific conductivity is 0.01412. Similarly, for solution 0.01 1.81 into 10 to the power minus 3 or 0.00303. For 0.02 normal, observed conductivity is 3.25 into 10 to the power minus 13 and specific conductivity value 0.00152. Now cell content formula: specific conductivity divided by observed conductivity. For 0.1 normal, C1 is equal to 0.01412 upon 14.16 into 10 to the power minus 3. Result 0.9971. Same for 0.0 normal, C2 is 0.857 and for 0.02 normal, C3 is 0.954. Then last find average value C1 plus C2 plus C3 upon 3. Add totals. At last cell constant is 0.936. Okay.